Hello, my name is Hammersley. I'm farming here in Lattin. We're running a dairy calf to beef system on 32 hectares. We purchased 75 calves off a local dairy farm. These cattle are brought to factory at between 22 and 24 months of age. The farm here is divided into paddocks of 0.7, 0.8 of a hectare. This makes a huge difference actually in relation to the grass management on the farm throughout the whole year, but it's very important into the back end of the year. For these calves here, for example, we're able to allocate them fresh grass every day while giving them about 1 or 1.5 kilos of meal. Our average farm cover was dropped to 630 this week. We were forced to this as we had cattle waiting for slaughter and we did not want to change our diet. Now that they are gone, that demand has reduced and we're also housing some other cattle. So as of this week, our grass growth is at 49 and our demand is 19. So we can see our average farm cover is going to increase with these actions. From now on, our calves are going to be used to close off all the other paddocks. We started closing paddocks there last week. This is an example of one of the paddocks. We've chosen this paddock because it will be one of the drier paddocks. I'd like to get it close off some of those paddocks so I'll have early grass in February. But what I'll be focusing in is trying to have a closing cover of around 600, 650. I suppose one thing with my system here, my demand in spring is actually quite low as I'd only have yearlings to go out on the grass early on. This is going to be one of the last paddocks to close. There's a good level of clover in this size paddock, so we want to have a low enough cover going into the winter. So the cattle here behind me were brought in to reduce grass demand. They're on a diet of silage and 4 kilos of nuts. They were averaging 464 at mid-season, and the plan is to have them finished at 620 for the end of this year. The calves are weighing 168 at mid-season and the plan is to have them at 260 plus at housing.